Hi, I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and I'm going to give you some solutions for storage. If you are looking for some storage solutions, the first thing is, I promise you need to go through all of this stuff that you're trying to store and figure out what you really, really need. The biggest problem is people always keep stuff that they don't need. If it only means something to you and it's not going to be worth any money, take a picture of it and throw it out. You don't need it. That'll eliminate about half of the mess that you're trying to store. Second of all, buy some boxes or some of these Rubbermaid boxes. They're a lot more tough, a lot better suited for the elements and weather and things like that, and label them. Christmas ornaments can go in one, write Christmas ornaments. Sports equipment, write soccer equipment. Label them and have them grouped so that you can just come in your garage or your attic, grab what you need without having to look through everything. Third, if you want to store anything that can hang on the wall in your garage, hang it on the wall. Ropes, cords, bicycles, or over here you can see we got wreaths hanging on the wall. If you can hang it up, that gets it off the floor and you're not, it looks way less bulky because there's not a bicycle on the floor. You can actually pull a car into this garage, which is ultimately what you want to be able to do. So I guess the main thing to remember is, if you're looking for storage solutions, first off, get rid of half of it. You probably don't need all of it. And really have one of your friends or relatives help you do this, because sometimes it's hard to let go. But after you've done that, just be organized about where you put your things, label everything, and that way you'll really remember where it is. I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and those are some storage solutions.